Pals Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi! If this is your first time, thank you for popping by, and I hope you like what you see. Anyway, this one, it's not my normal video, but I've had a little haul of bits and pieces, and I'm so excited about one. And I thought, who better to share with what I've bought than you lot? So, not going to be an awful lot, but hey ho. Got my candle lit for anybody that needs prayers, thoughts, positivities. Please know that somebody is thinking of you and has a candle lit for you all. Right, look at this, guys. Now I'm trying to, now I've started my own little Etsy business. As you all know, I do project bags and cover minder, needle minders and things. I always used to try and support little businesses before because of my husband and his. But I support them, even trying to support even more now. So if I think, oh, I want something or I need something for the house, I go have a look on places like Etsy and things first, or I ask around, does anybody know of anybody that's, you know, does it as a little business. Well, I wanted a little ironing pad. I've got the wool one, but I found with the wool one, when I'm using my little iron, it scorches the wool fibres, and I don't like that. Gets on my nerves. So I thought I want a little board one. Now I've seen people in America use these sort of things, but they're a bit more padded than this. Well, we've got nothing like that in here in the UK that I can find of. So I put in all these different things in Etsy in the description box of what I thought I wanted. You know, little ironing board, portable ironing board, padded ironing board, all these different things. And eventually I found this one. Move that out of the way. And this comes from Ene Designs Crafts. It's ENNE Designs Crafts on Etsy, and it's called a padded pressed board. And it is a hard board with some padding on here. And I wonder if it's I know what I was going to do. I was going to look to see if it's if it's heat retarded or not. Not that it really matters for what I want. No, it just says just made from board, wadding, cotton canvas. So didn't know if it was heat resistant fabric, but it's not, it's normal. But what I want it for is just ironing. So, you know, just be wary. It's not going to take a massive amount of heat. But yeah. Anyway, I'm going all over the place with this. Saw this fabric, loved it. But then it's got a handle, so you can hang it up. Look at the back. It's got a little cutting board on the back. How sweet is that? So if you just want to iron something like I do with my little zips and things, and I just want to cut the ends off, I can do it on here without getting the big cutting board out. And it's all attached. Now this was only, it wasn't a lot. Hang on, let me go back. It was £22.50 plus postage, which I think was about £6, something like that, because it is, you know, it's a bit of weight to it. But yeah, I love it. So I've been using this morning, and oh my god, because I've started to try and put my bags together again today, and I've used this, and it's brilliant. Love it, absolutely love it. So if you're in Britain and you want something like this, get onto her Etsy and have a look. So that was the first thing I bought. So let me know what you think of that. Right, the next thing from the Etsy shop I bought, where is it? Here. A friend of mine was talking about a bracelet that she was getting. And it's from a lady called, I want to say Kim. Have I got that wrong? Probably. It's from Harper Wood Designs. And they're a Welsh company from Bridgend, which I like. I like the Welsh companies because I'm Welsh. So I have not even opened it. So this is how it's come. She says, thank you for your order from Harper Wood Designs. So go on there, and she makes beaded jewellery. I love beaded jewellery. When I was in Africa, we were in Tanzania, and the Maasai warriors are big, especially in Zanzibar and Tanzania. You see them walking around with their spears and the shields and things. And my husband's fluent in Swahili because he's South African, and he worked in Tanzania for a year. So he to have a chat with them. But anyway, they used to on the market on the front of Zanzibar town market, they used to sell beaded jewellery, and I did buy some bracelet, which I've got upstairs, but I'm too scared to wear it because of the sentimental. And I've never found one really since that I liked, apart from Jeremy's bracelets that he makes, and I must get one off him, ask him to do some colours. So it's even been hand wrapped, look, came in a little net bag which will get recycled. And this was, for what it is and the work I know that goes into these beaded jewellery, it was a snippet. It was £12.50, that's all. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Have a look at that. Can you see it glistening? The coppers and the silvers and the blues, bluey green. And then it's got the clasps at the back with the little charms on, which I didn't realise it had the little charms on the ends. But isn't it beautiful? I think I will be buying a few off this lady, because she has, this is the thin band, and then she works her way up to thicker bands as well. I think she does necklaces as well. But yeah, but isn't it gorgeous? Can you see that? Absolutely love this. So I thank my friend Sarita for putting me on to her, and I thank the lady from Harper Wood Designs for making it, because it is beautiful. So if you can support somebody like that, go and have a look and see if you can, is anything on there you like, because yeah, I think they're beautiful. Birthday gift, ideal for that type of money, and the thick ones aren't very expensive either. So I got that. That's all you see in my arm, but I've got the other things over there. So you can have a look at my arm and my thing. Right. Don't know if some of you remember, I bought a cutting board from Arteza. And it smelt a bit funny. So the first one, I can't remember, the first time I contacted them is where it was. I've contacted them because it hadn't turned up after a week, which is unusual for Arteza because they're very, very quick at sending their stuff out. So I contacted them. And then when it turned up, it smelt of bonfire. The box didn't, but the board, still, you can still smell it a little bit now, but not much because it's been aired. Well, bugger me, I got these in the post yesterday. Arteza Art Supply looked, and I thought, why they sent these? And then it was the two ladies that I spoke to. One says, "Hi there, Caroline. Thank you so much for reaching out to us about your order. We're always happy and to help, and thank you for being part of the Arteza family. All the best, Andrea Dree." And then this one, "Art must be an expression of love, or it is nothing," by Mark Chadler. And she said, "Thank you for shopping with us, Mariah, sorry." But I thought, how nice is that? Just a little postcard, and that's come from America. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps with the American flag. I don't know how much a stamp is. But yeah. So I thought that was nice. So I was dead chuffed with that. And then my lovely friend. Oh, hang on. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to try and delete some of the video before because I accidentally showed my friend's address, and I'm very sorry, so I'm going to try and scrub it out. Anyway, Danielle very kindly sent me "Oh Christmas Tree" all through the night, folk art designs, because we couldn't get it in Britain, but in America they're doing this. Well, Danielle doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she supports every single person that I know Danielle supports. She is fantastic, and anybody that's been on my channel or been on my live will know Danielle. She's got a heart of gold. So she very kindly said we PayPal her the money and she would send it over to a few of us over here. And because she hasn't got a channel, she's not a creator as such, she asked Shalene from Shalene the Colouring Book Nook if she would host "Oh Christmas Tree" for her. So that's what she's going to do. And I think it starts on the 1st of September, but I will give you more information as I know. And we're all going to do this. So I've got to source out some threads and I've got to source out the fabric. But yeah, it is 131 high by 101 width. So yeah, and it's all through the night. Folk art designs with a bit of whimsy. Bonnie Sullivan is a designer and owner. And if I put that there, there's a telephone number if you're in, fax number if you're in the States, or you can email or go on their site. But yeah, so that's what I was really chuffed with that. So thank you. So yeah, can't wait. We're going to start that. Now this isn't craft related, although it is sort of, because it's off a crafty person. I'm so excited. My husband bought me this. I didn't know he'd bought me this till yesterday because he had to tell me so I'd stay in for it. But I don't know if you remember, 18 months ago or so, he bought me this, and it's by a lady called Jodie Neal, sorry, and I love it. And then Millie said she'd like one of hers, but Millie loves foxes, so do I, but she chose this one. Because as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful glaze. There's her signature on the back. Well, Jodie entered last year the Great British Throwdown, which is a pottery programme, and they take thousands, probably 10,000 entrants, and they whittle it down to 8 or 10, I can't remember now. And then each week they get challenged to do a pottery thing, anything from a sink and a toilet to doing raki, pots they did. Oh, anything and everything. They did a water sculpture which had to work. I mean, when they did the toilet, had to flush and all that. It was amazing. Well, she won. I mean, we'd already started buying stuff from Jodie. And if you want to see her, go on www.jodieneal, JODIENEALE ceramics, she's called, but it's jodieneal.com to see her stuff. Now, she sells out very quickly now because she won that, but she is as I say, we bought them a few things off her because she'd just started her shop then, and she's a nurse as well, so she works as a nurse full time. But yeah, so it says Jodie Neal Ceramics, Raku Pottery. Care and stacks. Raku pottery is sculptural, not food safe or waterproof. Dust with a feather duster or a soft cloth. Do not place in direct light. Now, she learned how to do this raki pottery on this show. It's where you have the pot, you make it up, and then you have to burnish it back, the clay, until it's polished. Then it goes in a furnace, and when it reaches a certain temperature, they bring it out, and then they put fibres on it, like feathers, string, horsehair, and it makes all these effects. So she'd done that, and she said, "Thank you, best wishes from Jodie." So, oh, so excited. Hang on, let me tip them out. Grant's already texted me once. Have you opened it? Have you opened it? I said no. But I was waiting for my dad to phone. She's packed it well, hasn't she? Oh, that's Pups. Pups went to the groomers. She looks like a massive fluff ball. She's so funny. And you, babe? Gosh, this is beautiful. But this one was, let me tell you, because I got the description of what this one is, how it is. It's a white and black tribal raku. Hang on, it's loading. White and black tribal raku pot. It says this raku vase was hand thrown on a potter's wheel, a wax resist process to apply a geometric tribal design on it. My marker's mark is featured on the base. These vessels are sculptural pieces and are not food safe. So, I can't find my scissors on it. I was a bit scared that I'm gonna. Oh, I'm so excited. So Grant says I can have it up on my candle shelf, which is up there, but I don't know. I'll need it somewhere safe because it is a prized possession to have one of these off her, because it is extremely difficult to. But oh my god, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, look at that. Can you see the crackle effect in it? I don't know if you can make the crackle effect out in there, but wow. Here you can see it all, look. It is gorgeous. Look at that. And there's a famous signature on the bottom that we know. So I had to share this with you because I was so excited, super excited. So I have a Jodie Neal, another one of her pieces. So this is going to go up on a shelf, either with my candles or in the front room, probably on the one in there. But yeah, it's beautiful. As I say, it's all done in a furnace, all thrown by hand, and I love it. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for stopping by and looking at a few bits and pieces that I got. I really appreciate it. Take care, look after yourselves. If you want to comment down below, if you haven't subscribed, you might fancy subscribing and sticking around. I do a couple of videos a week, plus I go live on a Sunday, and there's a bell by the side of the subscribe button which will let you know when that happens. Also, all my social medias down below, all the information about me, of what I do and whatever, is all down below. So with that said, look after yourselves. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. And most importantly, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.